installing Android application in mobiles. So you can see this is my Android device screen. So I'm sharing through Screencast application. So to install your application in phone, first you need to switch on the developer option on. Go to settings, scroll down to the list and click on about phone section. Then again scroll down and click multiple times on build number. Then it will show you a message, you are a developer. Click back, go to systems, and now you can see the developer option started getting visible. Click on it and search for USB debugging. So you need to turn it on, and the first step is done. Your phone is ready for the USB debugging. The second step, what you need to do is, now you need to connect a cable from your laptop to Android device. So once you connect your cable, Android system started getting visible in your notification. Click on it, choose this option, file transfer. Now you need to allow the USB debugging. So once you get connected via cable and you given the permission for the USB debugging, your device started getting visible here. So this is my device, real device, and this is my virtual device. So now we can run our application in this device. To do it, just click on the run button. Let's go. Let's see what is happening in our device. Wait for some time. And now our application is launched. In our next video, we can see if you don't want to use cable for your installation, so how to install your application over Wi-Fi.